Welcome everybody to this Nebula walkthrough. In this video we're going to be talking about how to categorize and organize your genomes. We do have a binder system in place inside the genome tab, which allows you to segregate and look at your genomes in different ways. One of the ways is of course being able to reference back to previous tests that you have run, and it will show you the survivors from those tests based off of the results. In some cases there will be no survivors. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is about categorizing. So we offer, number one is this small section here, which is the binders. You're going to be able to make custom binders. So let's go ahead and do that now. We've made this binder here, which is test 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to our silver. We're just going to select a load of these to go into a binder. Now there's multiple ways you can do this. You can do it by using the multi-select button here and selecting the ones that you would like. You can then select file. The other option is to go to the very right of the one that you're trying to select and apply it to a folder. We also have our star button right here, which allows you to favorite the systems available within the favorites folder. The other option that you have as well is for color coding them. Color coding can be very useful when you're just looking at a glance. You don't necessarily want them to be in folders so you can see how they stand up against others through their statistics. So there's two options. You can either click on the bar itself, and then on the right hand side you can just click your color. A little tag will pop up next to the name. The other option is you can click inside of the inspection tab itself, then click the little save icon here and bookmark it. I hope this has helped all of you that are using Nebula and trying to organize your systems a little bit more. I'll see you all in the next one.